Journey with me into the home of Haile Selassie. This is us on this journey, getting ready to head that way. Let's just take a ride through Addis Ababa here in Ethiopia, the capital city. 4 million people in here strong. It's a beautiful city. Just notice how clean it is. It's something that really sticks out to us here on this trip. This is our Sankofa experience, our first time in Ethiopia. So if you're interested in traveling the African continent, the African diaspora, make sure you tap into sankofaexperiences.com here, powered by Urban Intellectuals. But again, just notice the beautiful landscape, city, how clean everything is something that really sticks out here. They definitely take great pride in their city and in their country. It's a beautiful people with a beautiful disposition on life. They're so friendly, so welcoming, and just very kind spirits, really trying to help us. But we're on our way to Haile Selassie's home here, in one of his homes here in Ethiopia. The home is so big he actually turned it into a university. But it was called Haile Selassie University, but now it is University of Addis Ababa. There we go. We get that language down, right? But just take this ride with us and check it out.
Erected for them, we call it the Victory Monument, and there's many written stuff in Amharic about the journey of that time. So another thing with our
The campus of Addis Ababa. Uh-oh. All right, so check it out. We are outside the home of Haile Selassie, getting ready to go inside and have this experience. So upstairs is his bedroom. This is the campus. It used to be Haile Selassie University. Now it's Addis Ababa University. Here, but again, this is the former home, and we're going to get an opportunity to go into his bedroom.
cool.
Yes. He was Italy.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. It's very, very good. It's clear.
All right, so we are walking upstairs in the home of Haile Selassie here at former Haile Selassie University, which is now University of Addis Ababa.
Practicing before you die to join the kingdom of heaven. All right, so now we were at the gates of the royal chamber for Haile Selassie and his wife Daitu. We have a chance to see their bathrooms, the bedding and dressing place and dressing style, something like that. But before that, we have also a chance to see the currency of Ethiopia at different time. Watch, no problem. You continue. Watch your step. It's no problem. This is called amole or salt. Amole means salt. So before we minting a coin to exchange, we just bartering system is through this one, amole. Yeah.
I remember, I forgot the salt was a significant exchange of currency.
Yeah.
A long, long time ago.
Those are the one, the Ethiopian dollar. So for Haile Selassie, you see.
Yeah, salt was so valuable because it could cure the meat and I'm talking about salt.
Yes, yeah.
And that's why it was such a good exchange of
Yeah.
bartering because of the, you could use it for curing meat.
That's Emperor Menen, his wife, bedroom, and then the king Haile Selassie bedroom.
What is this about the stamps?
Stamps, yeah, which is.
Oh.
And then his wife. That's the bedroom for Haile Selassie. Yes, that's the bedroom for Haile Selassie and that's for his wife. ጤና ይስጥልን።
So this, do you, I mean, this is no big deal, but like, do you consider Jesus to be of European descent? And would Haile or whoever have that version of the Jesus up there?
Likewise.
Yeah,
my sentiments exactly.
Yeah, because they were trying to sell pictures of this Jesus on the street the other day, and I was
Yeah.
like,
Obviously, it was preserved some sort of way.
Yeah.
All right, so that was my big question. What is this image doing in Haile Selassie's bedroom? I would love to hear your thoughts. What are you thinking about it? I learned something on the inside that I'll share a little bit later, but I just want to hear your thoughts first. But beautiful bedroom, beautiful bath, beautiful home, beautiful campus, beautiful grounds. They're doing some wonderful things here. So I'm super excited to be bringing this information to you. Hopefully you have a chance to come to Ethiopia, even if you're not with the Sankofa experiences. The campus of Addis Ababa. Uh-oh.